Hi, welcome to the Hub. Today we have Jim Johnson. Jim is running for Wichita County Judge. Welcome, Jim.
Thank you, Sam.
Jim, tell us a bit about yourself. Where are you from, your work experience, things like that.
Sure. So, my name's Jim Johnson, running for Wichita County Judge. Was born and raised here in Wichita Falls. Graduated from Ryder High School in 2001. Spent a little time north of the border at the University of Oklahoma, where I got my undergraduate degree. And then from there, moved to Austin for a little bit. Worked at the state capitol for a brief time. Thought I would, when I left that, I said I'd never be back, which would turn out to be wrong. And then I went and managed a college bookstore for a while.
Where was that at?
It was at the Austin Community College Rio Grande campus.
And how long were you there for?
So I did that for about 9 months.
Okay.
And then moved away from Wichita Falls, but met a girl from Wichita Falls. Actually, when I came back to go to my best friend's wedding here, and ended up figuring out pretty quickly that I wanted to marry that girl. So moved back to Wichita Falls in 2007. Did marry that girl. She and I have been married for 14 years now.
Congratulations.
Thank you. We do have one son, Jacob, he's 9. But I moved back here in 2007 to become the assistant manager at the MSU bookstore.
Okay.
Did that for a couple of years. And then went to work for our U.S. Congressman, Thronberry, here in the Wichita Falls district office, helping people out with constituent services. So if you had a problem with the Postal Service, or you had a problem with Social Security, Medicare, we would try to help you get that resolved with the agency. Did that from 2008 to 2013, like I said, here in Wichita, and then was looking to make a change and went and talked to our state representative, James Frank, just to get some general world counsel for what I should do next. He was looking for a new chief of staff, and so I have been working for him in that role ever since.
Wow. So what year was that from?
That was from 2013 until the present day.
Okay. Wow. So you've had 9 years of experience there.
Yep. And so some people don't know this, but the county judge position, a big part of what they do is helping county government navigate all the state and federal rules that come down. It's a big part of the job, and it continues to be more and more a part of the job. So that experience, those relationships, those contacts that I've developed at state government level, I think will be a huge benefit to the people who live here in the county judge shop.
And that's why you think you're qualified for this job?
That's one of the reasons I think I'm qualified for this job, yeah. First and foremost, people have to, if you're going to run for public office, you have to have a heart to serve. And I think the number one, you can be the most qualified person in the world, but if you don't come into it with the right attitude, wanting to serve people, wanting to serve the residents who pay taxes and who live here and are raising a family, you have to do that first. I love what I do now because it's public service that gets to help people. And I'm looking forward to continuing that in the county judge role as well.
Can I ask, what are some things that you think you could help improve in our current position? I'm not saying it's in a bad place right now.
Sure.
But what are some things that you think you can bring to the table?
One of the things that I love doing is peeling back the curtain for people on what their government is doing, how it works, what it does. I love bringing people into learning more about how that works so that they can then step in, be more educated, more informed, and then honestly help fix problems that they see. So one of the things that I'd like to do immediately is peel back the curtain on county government. I would love to have town halls around the county to visit with people, to let them know what's going on, and to make them feel welcome to be a part of problem solving with the problems of the county.
That's fantastic. I think that's a great idea. All right, well, is there anything that you want to say to the audience out there?
Sure, I think the thing I want to say most is I would love to have your vote in the upcoming election, the Republican primary for Wichita County Judge. And yeah, look forward to serving everyone in the county if I'm elected.
Well, I hope you make it, and good luck.
Thank you very much. Appreciate it.
Thanks, Jim.
Thank you.